What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, Media Rich FX right here, and in this video, I'll be doing a weekly recap of the trade that I took on GBPUSD and on EURJPY. All right, so make sure you watch to the end. Make sure you stick around and watch to the end, and learn exactly what I do for the week. And yeah, I'll clear the market for the week. No miss out, guys. See you in the video. So now, starting from this short time frame on GBPUSD, if you guys check my weekly breakdown of GBPUSD last week, you guys will see that we are expecting a buy for the week. Actually, we're expecting a buy for the week, but then the market doesn't really mitigate our bullish bit of interest. If you guys know, this was my bullish bit of interest because I see a nice change of character at a very cool demand zone right here. I see a very nice change of character right, so I'm expecting a very nice bullish move right from this demand zone, this extreme demand zone. While this low here was my inducement, okay. So I was just expecting market to take out the inducement, and I am expecting a very nice mitigation to this demand zone. Then we'll get a nice buy for the week. And the thing is, I end up trading the sales. Why do I trade the sales? Let's go to the lower time frame and see exactly how I do that. So the 45 minutes time frame right here, this was on Monday. I can remember vividly. This was on Monday, right? I see a very nice analysis right here because I see that this demand zone right and this supply zone right here take out liquidity by taking out the resistance high, then give us a very nice break of sales to the downside. So after the break of sales to the downside, and then it give us a very nice inducement with a very good imbalance right there. You guys can see the demand zone is very much it's very much balanced. Like I mean, 50% of this of the bearish candle, right? The supply zone is very balanced, so I am very much convinced to take a trade from there. And as you guys can see very well, we have a very nice we have a very nice. Okay, no, it's not a second level. Yeah, it's not a second level. So right, we have a very nice supply right there, and I was targeting this loop right here, and I can remember it was on Monday, right? It was on Monday. I actually entered the sale with my signal providers because with my signal subscribers because I gave them the signal on Monday that week, placing a sale. So my initial plan for the week was that we taking this sell right to this low, and then probably we can just see more sales to the downside where we can just take the buy. Because let me be sincere with you, this sale actually showcased itself on Monday, so I was expecting just a minor sell to this bullish put of interest. We go bullish for the whole week, right? But then the market actually mitigated our selling put of interest right here, give us a lot of ranges, right? You guys can see after the mitigation, it's come straight to almost hitting our take profit, but then it cools back to our entry point and range for like 2 days, right, before the actual move to the downside before it hits our take profit. So after I hit our take profit right here and it take down this inducement, so I am expecting a very nice mitigation to the demand zone still, but then the market still hasn't mitigated the demand zone, right? You guys can see this is where the low is, and then it traces back to the upside. So tracing back to the upside, I'm very much sure that market will still come here to mitigate this demand zone, right? Because without the mitigation, market is not going anywhere, right? Market is not selling, it's not buying. That was my initial plan actually. So I can see this very nice demand supply zone here again with inducement and it's broke short to the downside. So I got my entry from here again, risking around 20 pips for almost 100 pips thereabout, right? So that's basically 1 to 5 for 1 to 4.5 thereabout, right? So and the thing is, I actually learned something from this trade, right? I learned something from this trade, and the thing is, basically taking profit or partial profit at internal range liquidities, right? You guys can see this is internal range liquidity right here, and probably we have a demand zone, or though the demand zone cannot put price back, but then it still affect the price in one way or the other. What I mean by that is, as you can see how the market take out this entire real liquidity right here and mitigate something right here and go back up. Though the market later comes down, but then going back up to take our entry, if you had, like the thing is, if you had break even, right, market would have taken us out, right? And some of my signal providers break even actually because so the market take them out and break even, but I am still holding because I'm still very sure of this. So right, I'm still very sure of this. So because I was expecting if the market take out this item, we had a nice change of character, so we can be having or be expecting something real different entirely. So I'm very much sure of the market structure because that's market structure. Then the market can never go against its structure. That's just it. So right. So I don't know. That's basically like another change of character, another internal change of character because you can see after this low, the market take out this low right here. After the market take out this low as a change of character, the market comes back to mitigate this supply zone right here. You guys can see this very nice supply zone. I mean, this supply zone right here, and you can see it has inducement and an imbalance right there. Market mitigate that, and then it comes all the way down. So that's basically what I learned because for the market to have for the market for it to remain like 5 to 10 pips for the market to mitigate. It's not even up to 10 pips for the market to mitigate your take profit. Then the market comes back. So exactly what I learned from this page is just like taking up probably like partial profits, or if not all your profits from internal real liquidities. So same things happen right here. So after I got my entry from the supply zone right here, after I got my entries for the supply zone, I'll post the screenshots of the before and after, everything, right, on this in this video. Right. So after I got my entry from here, after I got my entry from here, with these very nice imbalances right there, then give me a very nice mitigation and sell. Right, give me a very nice mitigation and sell. But then I was still very much, you know, exactly what happened here. I don't want the same thing to happen here because the a lot of fundamental stuff affecting the market presently, right? So I don't really want much or long stuff, right? So I have to take my profit from the beginning or at the opening of this bearish candle, right? From the high of the bearish candles. I mean, this demand zone. I know this demand zone can't really affect price to go to the upside, but then it can still affect it in a way or the other. And you guys can see my prediction go straight well, right? Because you guys can see market actually goes up after mitigating this demand zone right here. I know the market is still very much coming down, but then I don't really want to waste much time on this single setup. And you guys can see, just remain just 3 pips for the market to reach my take profit and it reverse back right now. So I actually take my profits from at around here, and that's basically around 80 something pips. Let me get it. Let me get it. Yeah, around 80 pips, right? Around 80 pips, and I think that's a very nice one to fall for risk reward because I'm risking 20 pips. Like I remember very very well. So that's basically the two trades I took on GBPUSD, and I remember I took this one on Thursday, took this one on Monday, right? So it's very much simple, following the market structure, and then winning massively. That's what's basically here. So I shared both and no, I shared this entry with Signal Group. I didn't really share this one because we hit our with weekly target on GBPUSD. Sorry, we our weekly target, like I mean our Signal weekly target in the Signal Group. So I don't really want to share more trades on them, so we won't over trade. So I took this trade personally myself, and so yeah, that's basically everything on GBUSD. Let's go straight to EURJPY. All right, so you guys can see EURJPY right here. You guys can see that we are very much kind of bearish before. I don't really want this video to be long, so I'll have this. I You have this low. So this is basically like a change of character. Then we add another high, taking out liquidity. I'm taking out inducement to mitigate the supply zone. Then we add another low right here. So that's basically my projection for Euro JPY. Then after that, I was expecting market to do something at the supply zone, right? But then the market take it out. I'm gonna take out the supply zone right there to create something like a relative equal high with this high right here. So I'm expecting a very small retracement, then boom to the upside for the normal continuation of the trend. Like I mean a trend continuation right there. So I searched all through. I don't really find a very nice supply zone. I'm sorry, a very nice demand zone that the market might choose around here. So I choose this demand zone right here. Right, I'm expecting a very nice buy from this demand zone with this imbalance right here. So that's basically what I'm expecting on this pair. Right. So this was my inducement, this was my point of interest. So that's basically what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting market to sell from here. So I know that the market will still basically expect supplies, right? The market will expect supplies because we are not yet in the bullish mode of interest. So I got sorry, yeah. After I see that the market take out high, take out this side, then we had an internal change of character right here. You guys can see after the internal change of character, the market comes back, mitigate the supplies on that cross change of character, like a flip there, something like that. So after that, we had a sell, right sell to the downside. So I can see that market came back up here. So to this extreme supply zone right here, right to this extreme supply zone, you can see this supply zone take out liquidity right here. It has imbalance, right? It has imbalance right there. So it doesn't really have inducement. Okay, but then I still risk the sale anyways. No, I think it has inducement in lower time frame. There about. Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. Just take out liquidity. Just take out liquidity. But then what I really use as my inducement is the first mitigation, right? I used the first mitigation as my inducement, so I was expecting market to come back to take out the first mitigation then before the selling. So I actually took my entry above of this high right here, above of this high right here, and I drop the signal to the signal group two. I got my entry from this side, and my stop loss was below that high. So right here, you guys can see exactly what really happened. You guys can see how crazy this thing is, right? Took my entry, I took my take profit at this entire liquidity too, because what I learned on GBP USD, right? I took my take profit from this low, and for you guys, let me tell you guys something. This wholesale right here doesn't really take up to 2 minutes, right? After the market mitigate this thing, like we have a lot of ranges, a lot of ranges, a lot of ranges right here, right? So the market just boom to us to take profit straight up within 2 minutes, right? After these ranges, I mean, right? After these ranges, I don't know, maybe it's fundamental stuff that's like affecting the JPY or affecting the GBP. I don't even know. I don't really know what happened, right? I was just staring at my chart and see something really crazy happened, right? Without any fundamental news coming up, stuff like that. So the market just went straight to our take profit, boom. So after the market is now take profit like this, market returns back up in the same minute, guys. Same minute, it goes back to our take profit and comes back to our stop loss after we take profit actually. So after that, the market, you can see how the market continue going bullish. So for me, I did think the market is now using probably a demand zone from here, which I am not aware of. Right, my own internal, my own projection was market to expect this demand zone right here, right? But then market didn't reach there, so we had another break of structure down or upside. So probably next week I'll be expecting some more buyers at this point right here or any other thing. So that's basically the trade I took on the EURJPY, and I'll show you before and after on the screen, you guys, so you guys can see that I am not capping. So yeah, I think that will be all for today, guys. And if you guys want to join my Signal channel, because I now have a Signal group where I drop signals. I don't really do mentorship anymore because of my schedules and my busy times because of my academics. I don't really do mentorship anymore. But then I am now offering signal services, right? Where I add you to my signal group, and then we trade. You trade exactly where I'm trading, and I'll show you allowances where I'm expecting what market might do, and yeah, probably our entries. I am sharing everything with you guys, and signal is just basically $50 for 2 weeks, right? $50 for 2 weeks. So you guys come. If you are interested, you guys can hit me up on Telegram or hit me up on WhatsApp. The links are below. I mean, in the description of this video. So if you guys want to join, hit me up and then let's get you in so we can win together, guys. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you enjoy this video, consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you like this video. And see you in the next one, guys. Peace.